So where is it? Ini go cho kibao. Hello good people, it's Erina TL and I want to remind you that charm is deceitful, beauty is vain, but a woman who fears the Lord shall be praised. My name is Erina TL. Welcome to this video. We are going to be preparing coastal snacks. I'm still in Malindi with my family in Malindi. They are teaching me how they make the coastal snacks. You know, I am also waiting to see, you know, everything at the coast is all about coconut. I'm waiting to see if the snack also contains coconut. But my Malindi moms are here ready to teach me how we make these. I bought them the other day in the market. I tested them and mom was like, I know how to make that. We're going to show you how to make it. So come with me, let's see how they do this. I don't want you today waste my time. Weka. Put. Underneath. Half. Guys, imagine frying peanuts in sand. I've never seen this. Hey, sambula kulaba okudda ku nyebwa tubisiikidde mu musenyu. I'm gonna tell you to your papa, I'm gonna tell you to your mama, and I'm gonna let them know that I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm gonna tell you to your papa, mama, I'm gonna let them know that I love you, I love you, I love you. If only you could see, now I just inside me. Yes, I catch fire deep down inside. Come this side and see.
Ya bana hata
kama na moto ni bahali kwa unaona walikataa sasa mapenzi
ndere na tukutana bila kuona ni ndio
maana ufundi mambo
Kachukua TV. Anachenda kwanza. Naomba muriche kwanza.
nachemka bado.
yanachemu
Regina kwa kama mama. Harakisha.
Tosha. Tosha. Hey. No.
This one I don't know. So where is it?
Ini kocok kibao. Ini romba ada wewe. Bola nacho haraka. Ama vile walipo wanapaka itakuja hivyo. Bola wewe kamba ni nao nyakaza nikatana. Elina.
Yes, Mama.
Wacha.
Go and get that one.
Ngoja mama.
Sawa hivyo, sawa.
Hey. Inambozwaje?
But Mama, this one is still sugary. This one is better.
Avinda grana tu. Mama za kuganda yeye mkasema nangu.
Now it can do.
Wataka hivi.
So there we can put. Get a big spoon. Hey. Mama is this one. Okay, Mama is. You see? Sorry, Mama.
Tunachoona tukibaru.
The sugar was less.
Haya. Shika. Tatosha.
Okay. Guys, see the snacks we just made right about now. So these ones, when you want, you go on dividing them into whatever you want to make them, or make balls, or make shape, or cut them into whatever you want. You could use more sugar, but for us we wanted it less like this. So asante sana. Let's sing the house. You wait for it to cool. Right now it's still very, very hot, but we are gonna eat it anyway. We can't wait to taste what it tastes like. Okay, it is a taste of sweet, then peanuts, then that kind of touch.